Hi everybody, this is Tanya Pizzolato of Shimmering Tarot. Welcome to my channel. We have an unboxing today. So let's get this open. Comes in this lovely red velvet bag. It is called The Hidden Sex Confessions by Mahrukh X. She makes really lovely decks. So I'm going to read what I have here about it. The Hidden Sex Confessions. It's 100 cards. This oracle deck covers a wide range of sex scenarios, from your sweet romantic lover to your extremist. It'll help you to find out what your partner likes and how they feel about being with you sexually. What will happen in the bedroom if you guys become intimate? There are 100 cards and enough lovemaking styles to either discover your partner's true likes, dislikes, and what is being hidden. Hope you enjoy this fun deck. That's what she wrote about it. So now let's take a look at this. So it is glossy, so it likes to move around. Sweet whisper. They want to whisper in your ear and tell you all the things they've been dying to tell you. Sweet words that will arouse your heart. And I love the backs. They're just so cute. I know she's all bound up and tied up, but with cat ears and a tail, but I think it's cute. These are on the thin side, but all her decks are, and I've had them for years. Not this particular deck, but other ones, and they last and last through all the shuffling, riffle shuffling, hand over hand, any kind of shuffling you want to do. Hidden freak. Ooh. They love that you keep your inner freak hidden. It makes them feel they discovered a world that only they know about. Peekaboo. They enjoy a little mystery, keeping the element of surprise alive. Don't reveal it all until they're fully engaged. Hidden fire. They don't want to reveal their true feelings, but there's a fire that burns deep inside them that is just a matter of time before they break. Ooh, multiple orgasms. Once is not enough for them. They want a night filled with multiple orgasms so they can come multiple times in one night. I love the pictures that they use. It really gives you the feelings behind, or she uses. Drink up. They want to watch you drink every drop of their cum or play with it in your mouth, letting it drip all around your pretty face. So if you are shocked by things, don't watch this, because her decks are not rated PG. They love looking at your breast. It's their favorite pastime, and when your eyes aren't looking, they sneak a peek. Gifted kitty. I'm not going to read every single which one, but you're the best they ever had. Nothing comes close to your sexual talents, and they're completely pussy whipped. Scared sexually. Make sure I get they embrace, respect their sexuality. Sex to them is sacred, profound. Cultivating. Cultivating more balance, form of spiritual sex. Well endowed. Oh, she's been measuring. We got an S&M teddy bear. Intellectually sexy. They find your intelligence sexually arousing, giving them real intense intellectual and mental connection with you. The teacher. So, the ones I don't read, I will hold them long enough for you to pause and read for yourself. Sexual healing. Makes me think of Marvin Gaye, his song. Your sexual experience with them will be like very healing, dissolving any blockages around sex and transforming your erotic energy. Ooh. Love marks. Possessive lover. Dark desires. Innocence. The chill. They can separate sex from emotions, and sex does not always equal love for them. Sometimes avoiding intimacy altogether. It is like that for some people. And for, there's times in our life where it's like that too. Even if we're later in life, we're very romantic and want it to mean something. But when we're young, we're experiencing it and it's just fun. That's all. Seduction. They want to seduce you, win you over, tempt all of your senses, and use the power in their smooth words and flirty touches. Self-love. Self-love is very good. The absolute safe sex, self-love. Take charge. They want you to take charge in the bedroom, make them feel desirable, and lead them with confidence to live out your desires. I was not thinking take charge as that. I was thinking, domination. Sex bunny. They love your high sex drive, even though it might scare them at times. They still embrace the sexual being you are. Complete surrender. Spilling the tea. Caution. You're at risk of getting hurt. It's best to avoid having any sexual interaction with them until things become clear. It's always good to have an idea, you might be going in for romance and they might be just going in for pure physical fun. The magic touch. You should both be going in for the same reasons. Booty lover. Under the table. Only you. Kept photos. Man, it keeps going in and out. There you go. They keep your photos to replay naughty moments with you and jerk off to them whenever you're not around to pleasure them. Naughty girl. Beautiful face. Shy lover. Gentle lovemaking. Bad intentions. They don't have good intentions with you. Much of what they want from you is purely sexual and don't plan on staying around a long time. See, that's important to know, For some people, that's perfectly great. leg man, kinky sex. Enjoy BDSM, pleasure, pain, bondage, dominant or submissive roles. Anything that breaks the confines of traditional concept of sex. Curves. Checkup. Very important card. Their sexual health matters to them, and I hope it matters to you too. They're not careless when it comes to sex. It's not like our parents' and grandparents' age when you could have sex and it was safe. Now there are more STDs and some are deadly. Conception. Fun lover. Phone sex. They enjoy phone sex and hearing your voice whenever you're not around. It allows the imagination to run wild. Car sex. They don't care if they have sex with you in the car. They just want you to end and make it a ride to remember. Cup of love. Eat out. They want to lick you, eat you, and fuck you with their tongue until you beg them for more. See, this is definitely not PG, not PG-13. Even a little more than R. Routine is boring. Variety. Often craves variety in their sexual experiences and many times has multiple sexual partners. Safe sex. Very important. Celebration sex, whether it's a birthday, Valentine's Day, an anniversary, or a special day between you two. They want to make it very naughty holiday. Mirror. They love seeing their work in action. To get a view from all angles, it's like watching a live stream homemade porn up to them. Undressing you. Sexy lingerie. Long sessions. You can see this is very glossy. I keep putting it back up and it just slips and slips. Hard to get. Making them work for your love and affection gets them revved up and makes them the conquest even more fun for them. Romantic lover. They make the effort to create romantic environment, add new depths of levels to intimacy, and expand your sexual experience. I forgot to ring the bell. We cannot go without that. There, that brings in the lovely energy, and sex is a very lovely energy. Even if it's just casual, it's one of the most pleasurable things, I think the most pleasurable things in this world. Against the wall. Let me put it here for a moment so you can read it. Making it drip. The seeds look like pomegranates. They want to make you so wet it drips down their fingers, all around their package and mouth, because the wetter the better. But it doesn't look like pomegranates. Strip tease. Getting nailed. They get a thrill getting caught. It's freeing, exciting to them to have sex in places they could potentially get caught. A lot of people do like that. Hookup regret. There is something they regret doing, whether it was with you or someone else. Sexually regret is heavily on their mind. No one likes that. Kiss of fire. Size matters. They're not very confident about their size and wonder if their size is big enough for you. In the fast lane. Makeup sex. Loud sex. Hot heels. High heels are a sexual turn on for them. They love it when you wear them and more. So if you keep them on during sex. So keep them on during sex. Or while giving the massage. I saw that on the client list. Unexpected sex. Guarded heart. Yeah, with all those spikes. They want to help you put your guard down to teach you how to fully let go when together, so you may learn to trust them with your heart. Sex with clothes. Patiently waiting. Sexual high, whether it's waiting to be under the influence or sex with you that makes them feel high. It's undeniable they want to get high with you. Pop the cherry. They want to experience many firsts with you and doing things they haven't done before, ultimately being the first to love you right. Messy hunger. Their hunger for you makes them act foolish, unable to contain themselves around you, allowing their hunger to overpower their minds. The one. You possess everything that they ever wanted and more in bed and outside the bedroom. They plan to take things to the next level. It's a big engagement ring. Masturbation. Hard on. Looking at you makes them rock hard. Even the thought of you excites them, making them come so hard. New setting. Rough sex. This pounding you into show you their dominance makes me think of Betty White saying a vagina can really take a pounding. I think that is just so funny. Love and lust. Pleasure toys. Wants to use sex toys to enhance and lengthen your pleasure time with them. Just enough to keep you close to the edge. That looks like a little butt plug. And then she's got the leash on so you can put a dog collar on. It's a dog collar so you can put a leash on them. Girl on girl. Talented mouth. Everybody Everybody loves the mouth. Blowjob. They love blowjobs and watching you get down to work on their dick. Or cock. It starts with a C. There is nothing like your soft, wet mouth. Restriction. They are currently not sexually active, limiting their sexual activity or setting better boundaries in their sex life. And it's all right to set boundaries on your sex life. You have to do what's right for you. Fantasy. Messy sex. Perfect match. Giver. Unprotected sex. They want to start having unprotected sex. They trust you and would like to experience deeper intimacy with you. That's when you know you both are free from diseases. Sex, morning sex. I think all guys like morning sex and girls like it at night. Backdoor, they want you to give them access to your back door. Give in and give yourself over completely to them. Love triangle. They're stuck in a love triangle and they're trying to untangle the situation they're in. A difficult choice has to be made. Short-lived romance. What you take away from the short-lived romance will come handy for your future sexual relationships. Enjoy the moment. Incompatible. Porn star. They love watching porn and want you to undress and act more like a porn star in the bedroom. Role play. Receiver. Decent lover. They're not talented in the bedroom and has a hard time picking up sexual cues. Their scores will be average on your chart. The outdoors. Casual sex. They want no strings attached romance to keep their options open for now. No bad intentions, just not ready to commit. And that's all right. Wild card. They are a wild card, very versatile in bed and unpredictable. Sex will never get boring because they do it all. So, you can see these are, but even though they're thin, these cards just last forever. And that's with riffle shuffling too. So I will shuffle them. And because they're glossy, they just love to move around. So let's pick some cards to see what you will be, this is just a general reading for many people. See what they'll be encountering. Against the wall, enjoy playful force during sex. And the type of lover you will push you against the wall while slightly choking you and kissing you. So this is just a little rough, but it's not harmful at all. So you have to let them know if you're okay with that. So, but it could be a lot of fun. And some of you meeting a romantic lover. They make the effort to create a romantic environment and to add new depths to your level of intimacy to expand your sexual experience. So they're going to be a little rough, but also romantic. They'll take you out to a nice dinner before or bring you roses, whatever you find romantic and they find romantic. But this person's going to just be a little bit on the exciting side, not pushing your boundaries. Hard to get, making them work for your love. And the affection that makes them revved up makes the conquest even more fun for them. So you're going to be playing hard to get. Those of you that are watching this video, you're going to be playing hard to get for this person who wants to push the boundaries just a little and who is romantic. Fun lover. They know how to make you feel comfortable and secure in the bedroom, keeping things fun and light so you can relax. So this is the perfect way to end this reading. So this is going to be, even though it starts out, like, oh, maybe I'm not comfortable. I hope this guy doesn't go too, or girl doesn't go too far. But you are going to be completely relaxed with this person because this person really cares about you, even though you made them work for it. You both will be having a lot of fun. So those of you who are this single are going to be having a lot of fun, with this new romance or new romance you have already started. You may be playing hard to get now, but when you get into it, the person you're with is going to be just a little bit rough, not too much. And if you don't like it, just tell them. They will respect your boundaries. But the ultimate thing is you both are going to enjoy bedtime, whether that's in the morning, all day long, all night long. Have fun, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and mini reading. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everybody. Take care of yourselves and your families. I'm sending you all lots of love and kisses and many blessings. Bye, everybody.